Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel all about chemistry. Hope you all are fine. I am your teacher Miss Sana Alam, and this tutorial is all about the difference between formula masses and molecular masses, chemical species, ionic compounds, free radical, how cations and anions are formed. So let's get started without wasting time. At the end of this tutorial, students will be able to understand molecular mass, formula mass, and chemical species. This is your book page number 14. Open this page in front of you for better understanding the topic. So students, our first topic is molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. Students, if you have to do is to add up the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a compound. For example, molecular mass of water. Student, you know, in water, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen is present. First of all, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 and in water, 2 hydrogen atom is present. So simply, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 1.008. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16.00. So simply we add up the atomic masses of hydrogen and oxygen and we will get the molecular mass of water, which is 18.016. So students, next topic, formula mass. So students, what is formula mass? Yes, the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a formula unit of a substance is called formula mass. Students, always remember that the term molecular mass is used for molecular compound, whereas the term formula mass is used for, yes, for ionic compound. Because ionic compound consists of positively charged part and the negatively charged part. So, simple, if we want to calculate formula mass of NaCl, in NaCl, Na is positive part and chlorine is negative part, sodium chloride. So, if we want to calculate formula mass of sodium chloride, yes, what we have to do? Atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of chlorine. So, the atomic mass of sodium is 23 and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. 23 plus 35.5 and we will get the answer 58.5 AMU. Students, what is AMU? Yes, atomic mass unit. Now, next example, find the formula mass of calcium phosphate. Here students, in the formula Ca3, P2 and oxygen 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are? Yes, 8. Total 8 oxygen is present in the formula of calcium phosphate. So simple, the atomic mass of calcium 40.08 and how many total calcium? Yes, total 3 calcium. So 3 multiplied by atomic mass of calcium, we will get the answer 120.24. Phosphorus, in the compound calcium phosphate, total 2 phosphate is present. So simple, we multiply the value of 2 with, yes, atomic mass of phosphorus, which is 30.96. 30.96 multiplied by 2 and we will get the answer 61.94. Last, oxygen. Total 8 oxygen is present in the formula of calcium phosphate. So the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Multiply by 8, we will get the answer 128.00. Now, in the last step, sum up all the atoms present in the compound and we will get the answer 310.18 gram per mole. So, 1 mole of calcium phosphate has mass 310.18 grams. Self-assessment 1.4. Following compounds are given to you and these compounds are used as fertilizers and you have to determine their formula masses. First compound, urea. The formula of urea is NH2,2CO and the second compound is NH4NO3 and you have to calculate their formula masses. So, how to calculate? First, urea. Simple. First of all, you have to see that nitrogen is present, hydrogen is present, carbon and oxygen is present. And the total number of nitrogen in the formula of urea is 2. Total number of hydrogen is 4. 1 carbon and 1 oxygen is present in the formula of urea. So, the formula of urea is NH2,2CO. Total 2 nitrogen is present. Multiply 2 multiply 14. 14 is the atomic mass of nitrogen. Answer 28. Now, total 4 hydrogen is present in the formula. 4 multiplied by 1. Answer 4. Carbon. The atomic mass of carbon is 12 and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Last, simply add up these atomic masses 28 plus 4 plus 12 plus 16 and we will get the answer 60 AMU. AMU, atomic mass unit. So the formula mass of urea is 60 AMU. Now our next topic is chemical species. Students, most of the matter is composed of molecules or ions formed by atom. And what is atom? Yes, atom is the smallest part of an element that cannot exist in free. Here in this example of phosphorus, the atomic mass of phosphorus is 30.973 and the electronic configuration, first shell 2 electron is present, in the second shell 8 electron is present and in the last shell 5 electron is present. So the electronic configuration 2, 8 and 5. Ions formation. Students, how ions are formed? There are 2 types of ions, cations and anions. Students, always remember that the positively charged ions are called cations and the negatively charged ions are called anions. How anions and cations are formed? Students, see the example. This is neutral atom and in neutral atom when loses its electron, so it will form cations, positive ion. And when neutral atom gains electron, so it will form anions, means negatively charged ion. Ionic compound. What is ionic compound? Yes, an ionic compound contains anions and cations in such number that the compound is electrical neutral. For example, Formation of sodium chloride. Sodium is present in group 1A. So in the last shell only one electron is present, and chlorine is present in group 7th A. So chlorine needs one electron to complete its octet. So simple. In the case of sodium chloride, sodium loses its electron and chlorine gains electron. And when sodium loses its electron, it will form sodium positive, means cations. And because chlorine is gain electron, so chlorine has negative charge, means chlorine is an anion. So here simply the formation of sodium chloride. Now, what is molecular ions? When a molecule loses or gains one or more electron, the resulting species is called molecular ion. You can see the example methane, and here carbon tetrafluoride, etc. means present in the molecule's form. Free radical. Free radical is an atom which has unpaired electron and bears no electrical charge. Here in the example, nucleus, these are orbits and electrons present in the red dots. Electrons revolved around the nucleus. Here you can see the missing electron. A missing electron creates a free radical, and free radicals are highly reactive. Students, here I have a very quick recap for you. We discussed compare between molecular mass and the formula mass, differentiate between an ion and a free radical, describe the formation of cations, anions and molecular ions. Now here students, I have a revision worksheet for you. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. You have to solve these questions. Number 1. Ions, molecules, free radical and neutral molecules are called dash. Number 2. Dash are the best example of monoatomic molecules. Number 3. Positively charged ions are called. Number 4. Negatively charged ions are called dash. Number 5. Dot indicates an dash electron. Question number 2. Following questions are given to you and you have to solve these questions. Number 1. What is the difference between atoms and ions? Question number 2. Write the difference between anions and cations. Question number 3. Explain the types of molecules with their example. Number 4. Define free radical with example. Number 5. What do you mean by chemical species? I hope you all have understood the concepts very clearly. So revision worksheet is there. So solve the revision worksheet for better understanding the topic. If you like my video, please don't forget to like my channel, subscribe and share the videos. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.